What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair a crack in your toenail. Alright, you guys, so this is the toenail that has the crack in it. It's a pretty big crack, and it's like almost, look at that. It's like, it's pretty close. It's almost to the middle, the center of my toenail. And then it goes here in the front too. So I'm going to repair this with some Hardgel, and we're gonna redo my toenails. But I wanted to show you guys how I repair my cracks. I'm gonna be repairing my toenail with some Hardgel, and I'm gonna be using the Young Nails Synergy Gel. And then I also have a cotton pad, some acetone to get my polish off my toes that I have on right now. I have a gel lamp, which is from Mia's Secret, and then I also have a file, and then of course my Mia's Secret gel brush. This is what I like to use for my toes. But yeah, so this is the supplies that you're going to need. Get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove the polish. Those look a little dry because I just did the acetone, and the acetone of course dries out your skin. So don't pay attention to the skin around. Anyway, so I'm gonna start off by just kind of prepping the area with my file. Just gonna go in and just make sure that this area lays flat. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Hardgel. Okay. So I have Hardgel here on my brush, and I am going to simply pull down the side of my skin. Pull down the side of my skin. And then I'm just going to place it on that part of the crack and a little bit up. And with Hardgel, you guys, you have a specific way that you have to maneuver the gel, so that way you don't have like bulky gel everywhere. All right. Make sure. So I am going to cure this toe for 60 seconds so that way I can go in and file it. I don't have any gel cleanser right now, so I'm gonna use the acetone that I have on this cotton pad to take away the sticky tacky layer that you have once everything is cured. Perfect. All right, so it's not sticky or tacky, and it's hard. Can you hear that? That's what you guys look for. All right. So that's how I pretty much repair a crack in my toenail. Let me show you guys. Look at that. Can you see? Like, it's not there anymore. I mean, it's there, but it's not gonna come up or anything. I don't have to worry about it. And it's not bulky like acrylic can be sometimes. So I'm just gonna file it into shape. If you need to smooth it out just a little bit, you can buff it out if you have a smoother grit file. But if you laid the hard gel correctly, you shouldn't have to do too much filing. Yay! So it's repaired. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my toes. So I'm gonna use the Young Nail Go Time One Step Gel Polish. So you basically don't need a top coat with this. It's basically a dry and go type of thing. And so you don't even need a base. So I'll go ahead and start to apply. I'm gonna do 2 coats on each toe. Some of the polish on the sides, and we're gonna pop it in the lamp. Second coat. Alright you guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you stay tuned for some other videos that I'm gonna upload during this week. I need to get back on my schedule. I kind of fell off because of course we are all in quarantine and it's a little bit harder to kind of stay motivated and not want to just lay there all day. But I'm motivated and I want to get some more videos pumping out, maybe twice a week or more. So I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. And until next time, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.